Let's talk about exterior angles for polygons. Exterior angles, those are if we extend a side of the polygon outside the shape, they're the angle that results. Now, one thing that is really, really nifty is that they always add up to 360. So it doesn't matter what kind of shape it is, whether it's a triangle, a quadrilateral, or a dodecagon, the exterior angles always add up to 360. Now, if it's a regular polygon, then they are actually measured 360 divided by n, because n would be how many angles there are. And if it's regular, regular means that all the angles are the same. Let's work some examples. It says if the exterior angle measure of a regular polygon is 30 degrees, how many sides does a polygon have? Now, we just said that if we took, oops, why did I say 360? 360 and we divided it by n, that would give us the measure of 1. This is telling us that the measure of 1 is 30. So now all we have to do is solve. In this case, I think I'm going to go ahead and cross multiply. So I'm going to divide that by 1, because if I divide by 1, I don't change the value of anything. 360 times 1 and 30 times n. 30 times n gives me 360. Now I'm going to divide by 30 on each side in order to solve for n. And n is going to be equal to 12. 12 is my answer. Find the measure of each exterior angle of a regular nonagon. If needed, round the answer to the nearest tenth. So first we need to use Google to look up how many sides a nonagon has, because Google knows that for me. It is a figure with 9 straight sides. So that means n is equal to 9. We want to find the measure of each exterior angle. So we're just going to believe that it's regular, so they're all the same. So we're going to take that 360, we're going to divide by 9. That's going to give me 40 degrees. A triangle has exterior angle measures 2n minus 13, 6n plus 4, and 6n plus 19. Okay, so we know that they add up to 360. So that means 360 is equal to 2n minus 13 plus 6n plus 4 plus 6n plus 19. Let's combine like terms. 6n plus 6n plus 2n is 14n. Negative 13 plus 4 is negative 9, plus 19 is 10. This hasn't changed any. All right, let's go ahead and do some algebra. Let's minus 10 from each side. This is going to give me 350 equals 14n. Divide by 14 in order to solve. And n is going to be equal to 25. There we go. Let's look at this one. Ooh, we have a bunch of different angles, but what do we know? We know they add up to 360. So I've got n, 7n plus 7n plus 10n plus another 10n plus 8n. And I know that equals 360. Okay, let's combine our like terms. 1 plus 7 plus 10 plus 10 plus 8. So that's 16 plus 20, 36. I have 36n equals 360. Divide by 36 on each side. And n is going to be equal to 10. That's all we have for today.